I just want to demonstrate the vangear Siesta 2 bed. The idea of this bed is to have a non-structural bed that fits over the existing factory seats. So the advantages are that you can utilise the factory seats, whether they were originally fitted in there or whether you can retrofit factory seats into the van, and then this bed just simply folds over the factory seats, the folding factory seats, and forms a bed. So in this case we have slots here, and the base is actually fitted onto the rails using our vangear anchor cleats. And then here we have the two aluminium bars stored, which I'll show you in a second what they're for. Push those forward. Okay, I'll just go into the front and demonstrate the today we're in the Mercedes Vito, which has the folding seats on the fixed rail, but there are a number of vans now that have these types of seats. The Citroen Space Tourer, the Renault Traffic with a 9-seater, and people also are retrofitting these seats into vans as a solution instead of a rock and roll bed. They do have some advantages. They're very comfortable compared to rock and roll beds. These ones actually recline as well, and they also have ISOFIT child seats on there, the clips for the child seats. So we fold the seats down. So obviously the height of the legs will depend, because you want the leaf position just on the backs of the seat. So the heights of these legs have to match the seats, and in this case these seats are relatively high. In something like the Citroen Space Tourer, the seats are a bit lower, so therefore you need the shorter legs. Obviously this rear module could also be bolted into the van as well. So to open up the bed, you simply pull it forward, pull it out over the seats, so you can see it sits on the seats there, and then up on the underside we probably some cases you will need to remove the headrests. You open up the legs. We then have the two aluminium channels, which simply click on to the side of the bed. So they slide into place, and there you have the bed, and I'll just get the mattress out. And there you have the vangear Siesta 2 bed in place.